I am in a comfortable place. Everything around me is peaceful, peaceful, peaceful. My child is sleeping, or my child is safe wherever they are. I take the time to breathe deeply 3 times, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. I take my time because I have all the time in the world for myself, for myself, for myself. As I deeply breathe in and out, I relax my body even more at every breath, every breath, every breath. I relax my head. I relax my neck. My shoulders are relaxed. At every breath, I relax my chest even more. My back is relaxed. My belly area is relaxed. My hips are fully relaxed. As I breathe more and more, I relax my legs even more. And my feet are sinking in the floor. My body gets heavier and heavier as it relaxes even more at every breath. I take my time to breathe deeply anytime, because I have all the time to do so. I have plenty of time for myself. I have plenty of time for my child. I have plenty of time for everyone around me. I have always plenty of time, plenty of time, plenty of time. To confirm this affirmation and seal this reality within myself, in every single of my cells, I breathe deeply in, and as I breathe out, I let go of any emotion that no longer serves me. As I breathe out, I let go of anything that is no longer helpful. I say goodbye to anything that is unuseful within myself. Breathing in, I welcome more energy, a better reality, more time and space. And as I breathe out, I let go of any old information that no longer serves me. In doing so, I realize how light I feel, lighter and lighter at each and every exhalation. I realize how more space I have within myself. That space welcomes anything that I want that is benefiting me fully. I am a perfect mom. I am a wonderful mother, a wonderful mother, a wonderful mother. I have time for my child. I have time for myself. I have time for everyone around me. Always.